Please join your hands and close your eyes.
Oh
Oh
Lord,
Lord, we give you thanks.
for your words. Bless and us this beautiful bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people those are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, filled with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings ever.
Okay. So just we can recall what we learned last class. Okay. We are again every day we are recalling what we learned because now it is different from the first standard portion. That's why. Okay. So those who didn't follow, they can revise once again. That's why I'm again and again every class I am taking from the first onward. So please listen here. Okay. Let me share the screen. Okay, good. Now please listen here. Now. Okay, what is this, Parvati? Parvati, only unmute. Others, please be quiet. What is this? Point S. After telling the answer, you can mute your device. Okay. Aritika, tell me the next one. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, please tell me.
line AB.
Very good. It's line AB. And Advait PS, listen here. Advait PS.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What is this, my dear? Identify it.
Ma'am, this is the first sentence.
Siddhi Vinayak, please tell me louder.
Ma'am, I will join
Huh.
late.
It's okay. Ah, yes, yes. We are just started only, Siddhi Vinayak. Okay. We just started only. Okay. Advaita PS, please tell me. Identify this. Fast, fast. What is this?
Line PQ.
Is it a line? Is it a line? If it is a line, there should be two arrows. You can't see two arrows at the both ends. You can see end points. So what is it? Is it a line or line segment?
Line segment PQ.
Okay, line segment. See others, please be quiet. Line segment.
Line segment PQ.
Good, good, very good. Now we can move to the next one. Siddhi Vinayak, please unmute, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify this, my dear. Identify this. What is this?
Line MN.
Is it a line? Is it a line, Siddhi?
Line MN.
Is it a line? Where is the another one end? You can see the arrow mark. What about the other end? Is it arrow mark? Siddhi Vinayak. Is it a line? You can see one starting point and one arrow mark at the other point. Is it a line?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you remembering this? R-A-Y. What is this?
Ray.
Ah, it's a ray. What's the name of the ray?
Sun ray.
What's the name of the ray?
Sun ray.
That is example, sun rays. What's the name of this? What's the name? And you can see 2 points on the ray. MN. So what's the name of the ray?
Hey.
Who is drawing on the screen? The beginning itself I said, please don't draw. Okay. Siddhi Vinayak, tell me what's the name of the ray? Ray? What points you can see on the ray? This is a starting point and the name is M. Another point N. So ray. Is it a ray MN?
Number MN.
Is it a ray MN?
Miss page number.
Arnav, which page number, my dear? I didn't take any page number. Please listen here. Arnav, please switch on the video. And who is drawing on the board? You are not listening here. Okay, please listen here. See, it's a ray MN. It's a ray MN. Now, after that, we studied different type of lines. Different type of lines. Stefano, please unmute and tell me what type of ray it is. Hessa, Naurin, Haya, Rashid Ali, what are you doing? Stefano, please tell me what type of line is this?
Vertical line.
Very good. Drawn from top to bottom. So it is vertical lines. Very good. Very good. Vertical lines. Now we can move to the next one. Krishna, please unmute. What type of lines? Krishna, please unmute and tell me what type of lines?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Very good. Sleeping lines. Horizontal lines. Drawn from left to right or horizontal. Left to right or right to left. Very good. Very good. Now we can move to the next one. Bennett, please tell me the next one. ROC, Anu, what are you doing there? Bennett, listen here. What is this? What is this?
Ma'am, wait for me.
I didn't tell to write. Listen here.
Covered lines.
Curved lines. CURVED. Curved lines. Okay, okay, Bennett. Good. Now we studied what type of figure, Tirtha? Please tell me what type of figure. Is it open or close?
Close figure.
Very good. It is close. What about this? What about this? Jennifer, please unmute and tell me what type of figure? What type of figure? Is it open or close?
Open.
Open. Okay, good. Now, last class we just started. A point has no dimensions. A point has no dimensions. What's the meaning of that? A point has no thickness, no length, no height. What is the meaning of this dimension? Dimension means a measurement in a particular direction. Okay, dimension means it's a measurement, and we know which are the one-dimensional figures. One-dimensional figures are figures and they have only one measurement, one dimension, that is length. So line, line segment, ray, curved line. These are the one-dimensional figures because they have only one measurement, that is length. Got it? One-dimensional figures. One-dimensional figures means they have only one measurement. They have only one measurement. And here it is length. So one-dimensional figures are line, line segment, ray, and curved lines. Okay. Now let us come to the two-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional. The word itself, two measurements are there. Two measurements are there. See. Okay, Krishna, listen here. Where are you looking? What is this? What is this?
And that is chessboard.
It's a chessboard. What's the shape? What's the shape of the chessboard?
Square.
Square. So a square is a flat figure. We can draw in a plain paper, and it has two dimensions. One is length, another is the breadth. And listen here, listen here. It have two dimensions. That means two measurements. So it is a two-dimensional figure. It is a two-dimensional figure. Now I will show you another object. What is this? You already know what is this. Already studied in the first standard and all. It's a
Cube.
Rubik's
Cube.
cube.
Rubik's
Having okay, very good. This cube having three dimensions. That three dimensions. That means three measurements. Three measurements. Which are the three measurements? Length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. Okay, so this cube is a 3D figure or three-dimensional figure. Is it clear? Is it clear? One-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let us write in the notebook what is one-dimensional. Okay. Please take your notebook. Take a fresh page. Take the notebook. Take a fresh page. Okay. Shall we write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you can write. A point has P-O-I-N-T. Point. A point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. A point has H-A-S. Has. A point has. A point has dash. D-I-M-N.
A point has no dimension.
Very good. Adit, very good. Very good. Dimensions. A point has dash dimensions. What is the answer, Advait? A point has.
A point has no dimension.
Very good. The answer is no. A point has no dimensions. That means a point has no length, no thickness, no height, or no breadth. Okay. A point has no dimensions. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-S. Dimensions. Dimension means measurement. Now let's write one-dimensional figure. So below this you can write O-N-E, one, O-N-E, one. Dimensional, D-I-M-E-N S-I-O-N. This is dimension. Dimensional. So after that you have to write A-L. Dimensional. One dimensional.
One dimension.
One dimensional. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-A-L. One dimensional.
Figure.
Very good. Figures. One dimensional figures. F-I-G-U-R-E-S. F-I-G-U-R-E-S. One dimensional figures. Or in short, we can write 1D figures. Or
Wait for me.
one capital letter D. 1D figures. That's a heading, so you can underline it.
Wait for me.
One dimensional figures or 1D figures.
Ma'am, please wait.
one-dimensional figures or 1D figures. 1D means one-dimensional. D means dimensional. So in short, we can say 1D figures, 2D figures, 3D figures, one-dimensional figures or 1D figures. Now, which are the one-dimensional figures we studied? Which are the one-dimensional figures we studied? Joseph, can you tell me? Which are the one-dimensional figures we studied? Having only one measurement, one dimension. Line, L-I-N-E, line. What's the next one? Line segment.
Line segment. Ray. Curve line.
Very good, very good. Ray. And we have the third one.
Ma'am, please
curved
wait.
lines. You write, you write. Line, a line segment, ray, and the last one,
segment.
curved line. Line, a line segment, ray, and the last one, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved line, L-I-N-E. One-dimensional figures or 1D figures. Which are the one-dimensional figures? Karthik, please tell me. Karthik, please unmute and tell me. Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line.
Line.
Line segment.
Line segment.
And the ray.
Ray. Which is the last one?
Curved lines.
Curved line. Very good, very good. Evina Rose, which are the one-dimensional figures? Which are the one-dimensional figures? Line.
Line segment.
Very good. Line, a line segment. Ray. And the last one, curved line.
Curved line.
Okay, good. Nived, tell me which are the one-dimensional figures? Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line.
Line.
Line segment.
Very good.
Ray.
Okay. And the last one, curved line.
Curved line.
Okay, good. Now we can move to next one. Mother, where are you? Tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Mother, tell me which are the one-dimensional figures.
Line. Line segment. Ray.
Ray.
Curved lines.
Curved line. Very good. Arjun Krishna Janish, please tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Arjun Krishna Janish, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Curved lines.
Only curved lines or all the four? Line. Line segment.
Line segment.
Ray.
Ray.
And curved line.
And curved line.
Okay, these are the one-dimensional figures. Evelyn, please unmute and tell me which are the one-dimensional figures.
Line segment, ray, and curved lines.
Very good. Now, ROC and Noob, which are the one-dimensional figures? Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line.
Very good.
Segment, ray.
Very good.
curved line.
Ray and curved line. Okay. Asriya, please tell me. One-dimensional figures. Which are the one-dimensional figures, Asriya?
Line,
Okay, good.
segment,
Good.
and curved line.
Very good, very good. Mitra,
thank you,
which are the
ma'am.
one-dimensional figures?
Line, segment, ray, curved line.
Very good. Muhammad Ali, which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line, segment, ray.
And the last one?
Curved lines.
And the last one is curved line. Okay, last one is curved line. So is it clear? One-dimensional figures?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why we are calling it is a one-dimensional figure? Because it's having only one measurement. Okay, having only one measurement.
Please,
Anay, please unmute. Anay, please unmute.
ma'am, please share the screen.
Okay, I will share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Anay, please tell me which are the one-dimensional figures?
Figures on
Line, segment. Which is the third one?
line segment,
Ray.
ray,
Last one, curved line. Okay, good. Now, Anushka, please unmute and tell me. Anushka, please unmute and tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Anushka, listen here. Anushka, can you hear, ma'am? Anushka, please unmute. Anushka, please unmute and tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Anushka, are you listening here? Anushka, tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Nihal, please unmute and tell me which are the one-dimensional figures, my dear. Which are the one-dimensional figures?
line, segment, ray,
Ah.
curved line.
Very good. Line, segment, ray, and curved line.
Now,
Wilfred, which are the one-dimensional figures?
line, segment,
Ah.
ray, and curved line.
Very good, very good. Meenakshi, which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line, segment, ray, curved line.
Very good. Sam Tom, which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line, segment, ray, curved line.
Okay, very good. So now it is clear. One-dimensional figures. Okay. Now let us see two-dimensional figures. Okay, and two-dimensional figures means having two measurements. Okay, and all the plane figures or flat figures are two-dimensional. Let us see one of the flat figure. Okay, no need to write now. You can close your notebook. You can close your notebook and listen to me. You can close your notebook and listen to me. Okay. So next we are discussing two-dimensional. Dimension. SIONAL. Dimensional. Two-dimensional or 2D. 2D figures. So what is special in this? They have two measurements, length and breadth. Listen here, no need to write. Okay. Now I am putting some points on the screen. Christy, can you see points on the screen? Christy, can you see points on the screen? Christy, please turn on your camera and tell me, can you see points on the screen? Yes or no? Yes. How many points? Advait, Manoj. How many points?
Mine
How
now
many-
finish. Arnav.
What
One,
is Arnav?
three.
Arnav, tell me.
Arnav no finish.
You didn't finish that line and line segment. See, Arnav, I will share the notes in the group. So take time and write. Okay.
Mine
listen
no
here.
finish.
Okay, listen here, Arnav. Can you see points, Arnav?
No page. This no.
Arnav, please listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you written line. Okay, line, segment, ray, and one more is there. That is curved lines. I will write now. Please write the spelling. See you written. See you.
C
Arnav, please write you.
C U
R
R
V
R
V
B
E.
B.
I will write here the spelling. Listen, look at the screen. C
Yes, ma'am.
U R V E D. Curved. You got it, Arnav? C U R V E D. Curved.
V E D.
E D. C U R V E D. Curved. Line. L I N E. Line. L
L
I N E. Line.
L I
L I N E.
N E.
Okay. Now you can close your notebook. Listen to me.
And the ank is completed. Man are now
Okay, now please listen here. Okay. How many points you can see on the screen?
and the ank is completed.
You can see 4 points. Very good. Okay, now listen here. Look at the screen. I am giving names to these points. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay. So there are 4 points. I gave the names point A, point B, point C, point D. I am going to join the dot. And see here points A to B. So I got a line segment AB. Okay. I got a line segment AB. Now I'm joining B and C. So I got a BC, line segment BC. Now again I'm joining C and D. So I got the CD, line segment CD. Again I'm joining D and A. So I got a line segment DA. Okay. So how many line segments are there here? How many line segments are there?
4.
4 are there. Very good. Now what is the figure you got it? What is the figure you got it?
Square.
Very good. It's a square. It's a square. Okay. So this is a square having 4 line segments. This line segments means it is the sides of the square. Sides of the square. Now let us write the sides. We know there are 4 sides. 4 sides. Let us see which are the sides. The first side is this one. Okay. Line segment AB. The side is AB, comma. Second one, BC. Okay. Third one. What's the name? Third one?
CD.
CD. Very good. And the fourth one is this one. What's the name? DA. Okay, got it? The sides of the square are AB. This is AB, BC, CD, and DA. Got it? Once again, AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay. And last year also we studied there are corners. How many corners are there, my dear? How many corners are there? For a square, there are 4 corners. There are 4 corners. So here we can say these are the points as corners. So which are the corners? Name the corners.
Ma'am,
Yes.
A, B, C, D,
Comma B, comma C, and the fourth one is
C,
D.
D,
See, this is one corner, another corner, fourth corner. So A, B, C, and D. Okay. Now you got it. Which are the sides and corners? Which are the sides and corners? Okay, good. Now listen here. We have to name this square. We have to name this square. So we are naming the square using the corners. Using the corners. So what is the name of this square? We are using corners. We know the corners are A, B, C, and D. So we can name this figure as square ABCD. Square ABCD. So this square has the name square ABCD. And the sides of square ABCD are AB, BC, CD, and DA. Corners of the square ABCD are A, B, C, and D. And all of you know all the sides of a square are equal. That is very important. Okay. Now you got the point. Now you got the point. Now you know how to name the sides and corners of a square.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 4 sides and 4 corners. All the 4 sides are equal, and we are naming a square. Naming a square using the corners. Using the corners. Okay. Now let me share it once again. It's already 37. And now I will try. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Tom Saji, please tell me which are the sides of this square ABCD? Sides of square ABCD. Please tell me which are the sides.
Ma'am, clock swinging.
Tell me which are the sides of square ABCD. Unmute and tell me, Tom Saji. Unmute, I can't hear.
AB,
Very good.
CD,
Very good. AB, CD, AB, BC. Okay, AB. This is AB, BC. And next one, Tom Saji, next one.
CD,
Very good. CD. And the fourth one?
DA.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we can move to Arna. Please unmute and tell me which are the corners of this square ABCD? Which are the corners of this ABCD?
Corner.
Corners.
AB,
A, B,
C,
C, and
CD,
D.
D,
Okay. A, B,
B,
C, and D. So how many
A,
sides
B,
are there for a square? How many sides are there?
Four
There are
sides.
4 sides. Dhyan, how many corners are there, Dhyan? How many corners are there? 4 corners. Okay, good. Now, what is special about square side? All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. How we will name a square? We will use the corners. Using the corners, we will name the square. Is it clear? 2-dimensional square figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right in the next class. Okay. And I'm teaching very little each day. So study well. That's today only you have to study which are the 1-dimensional figures. So you have to write and study the spelling. Okay. Will you do it? Yes. So we will meet in the next class. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.